So all the things I'm going to be sharing with you comes with demos. So these demos are ready-made templates and designs or websites that you can just import into your own WordPress site. And then you might just need to do one or few changes, which involves maybe your logo, set to your preferred menu, and you'll change some text if you need to, and then your website is ready. Okay, so the links to all the things I'm going to be recommending in this video, I'll leave them in the description of this video so that you can check them out. Right. So before we get started, looking at some of this thing, if you are new to this channel or you are yet to subscribe, kindly go ahead right now and click on that subscribe button so that you can subscribe to the channel. All right, so thank you very much if you have just done that. So with that, now let's go ahead and check out some of the best music WordPress thing. Right, so number one on our list is called On Air 2. Okay, so this is a radio station WordPress theme with non-stop music player. Right, so like I mentioned earlier, you want to create an online radio. So this is a theme that comes highly recommendable for that. Okay, you can see with non-stop music player. Or maybe you want to create a kind of online platform for music with continuous that will be playing repeatedly for selected playlists. Okay, so you can see it here. We the number one top radio WordPress theme for radio stations. All right, this is going for $199. Okay, so you can see it here. This comes highly recommendable. So if you come over to this website or to this link, I'll be sharing them in the description for this theme or any other thing. Okay, you see the title of the theme or the name of the theme here. You're going to see the price and every other information. So if you want to get a theme, just go ahead and click on add to cart. So once you do that, you'll be prompted to create an account or to sign in. So if you don't have an account with them, just go ahead and sign up rather. So you can create an account either using your email or you using your social media account. Then once you are done with that, you'll be able to purchase the theme. Once you have done purchasing, then you get access to download the theme files. That's what you're going to upload into your WordPress site when you are asked to upload your theme. Okay, so it's pretty much simple process. So let me show you some of the features for this particular theme on Air 2. So you can see it in terms of demo, it has different homepage demo. It has the magazine side, the blogs, one column, and the blog sample. So what we are seeing right here is one of the demos that you can make use of. If you purchase this theme, we have all this section of music coming next. Okay, so you can see you can put in particular music here to keep on playing, and then we have a chart. Okay, and then we have the text news. Okay, and if you look here, there are a whole lot of other menus. Okay, schedule, chart, theme. If you want to put in a podcast, okay, for events, and if you want to sell maybe tickets or you want to sell the music, you know, or you want to just sell something. Okay, so you can also do that there within this theme. Okay, so that's the first one. So the next one on our list is called Chroma. So this particular theme has over 5,000 sales so far. So that means at least 5,000 websites are making use of this particular theme, going for $64. So in terms of the features, so you can see it comes with some demos. So these are the demos here. So for the demo now, I won't be able to open up all the demos, but you know, if you come over to any of the pages, just click on it. You can open it up to see all the pages of the demo website that is available to you. All these demo sites, you can just import them into your website, okay? And the reason why I won't be able to open them is if I decide to open everything to make the video longer than necessary. I hope you understand. All right, so here is the second one, Chroma, so you can check that out. So the third one on our list is called Decibel, another great music theme, going for $79 in terms of features. So these are the demos available. So we have this original page, the band home, artist home, shop. We have this discography home, one page, and a list of other one. In terms of feature, you can see custom player, discography, tour dates, WooCommerce store. You can see slider revolution. It comes with enhanced page builder, and this is what the inner pages looks like. Okay, so apart from the home page, there are other pages that have been created just for you. And if you don't want to use them, you can also create your own custom pages. Okay, so it's very, very possible. Right, so it is fully responsive. That means if you create a website using this theme, it appears very well either on mobile or desktop, whichever devices that anyone is using to access your website. So you don't need to worry about that. So guys, I hope you are finding value. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up if you are yet to. So next on our list is called FWRD. I think that's an abbreviation for forward. So going also for $64. So let's check this out. So these are the particular demos for this particular. It comes with 5 demos that you can actually choose from. Okay, so what I'll just advise, take your time. You can click on them to see what the demos actually looks like. Okay, so that's it for forward. Okay, so this is. So then next is called Lucille or Lucille. This is another music WordPress thing. Going for also $64, just like the last two. Okay, so you can see this is the one of the demo for forward, so you can see it here. That's why I don't want to open everything to take a lot of time. So you can see this is one of them. And it comes, you can see this is a sticky header right here. You can see, you can click on music, events, about music pages, okay? And you can see there are a lot of other pages available to you, okay? And you can choose from. So let's continue with this Lucille. So let me show you for this now. These are the demos available. This is for artists. If you want to create a personal website for an artist, you can use this. Okay, it's rock, it is classic. Okay, this is it's here. So next is called Vice, underground music Elementor WordPress theme. So this particular one works with Elementor Page Builder. If you're a fan of Elementor Page Builder, then do make sure you also check this. I'm sure you're going to love this. Another feature is non-stop Agbleze music player. So that's talking about responsiveness and some added features. Okay. So what we have right here is one of the demo websites from this particular thing. So you can see it with all this feature here. You can see this just below it here. You want to play, work on the volume, you want to play next, you want to shop or something. So you can see it here. So this is more looking more music kind. There's a share button where you can share music that's currently playing. You know, you can check out artists. You can also use it, have a podcast section and an invest section. Okay. So this is just more like an all-in-one music kind of website. If you want to create an all-in-one kind of music website. Okay. So before we move to the next one, I want to share with you hosting. So if you're creating a website, definitely you are going to need hosting. So that's one of the requirements. You're going to need an hosting and a domain. And right here, I'm recommending Hostinja to you. You can see it here, get 75% off. Hostinja is currently one of the best hosting platform that you can find on the internet. So I'll leave a link to it in the description. They are offering up to 73% off. So I'll leave a link to it in the description, like I said. So once you come over to this page, you can see there is an option to change your language. If English is not your first language, so just come over here and then you can change the site to whatever language that you are comfortable with. Okay, so once you are there, so just scroll down. Actually, there are three plans. There are three packages. We have the premium, we have the business, and then we have the cloud startup. All right. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the difference between all of those three packages. But the one that comes highly recommendable that I would recommend is the business plan. Okay, and remember you're also going to get some 3% off with the business plan. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a difference like this. You can use it on up to 50 websites. This is 25, and in terms now the major difference is the storage. Okay, you can see this is offering 20 gig SSD storage, while this is 50 gig NVMe storage, which is much more better than just ordinary SSD storage. Okay, all right, so once you are here, just go ahead and click on choose plan. So if you come here and select your 12 months, okay, 1 month might not be too okay, but remember, if you select in 1 month, you're not going to be getting a free domain. Okay, and I believe 12 months is okay for you to be sure that, okay, you want to keep the website. And like, since the hosting offers the opportunity for you to create as high as 50 websites, that means you can create as many, up to 50 websites using just your single business hosting plan. Okay, so right here, you see your summary here. Now, the actual price should be $207.94, but because of this discounts, you're going to be paying $59.88. So once you are here, go ahead and click on continue. All right, so once you click on the continue button, you'll be redirected to this screen where you have to create an account with Hostinja. Okay, so you enter in your email and then your password, and then you click on register. So once you click on register, you'll be redirected to this page where you are going to enter your billing address. Okay, so you enter your name, your country of residence, your phone number, you know, all of this information, and then you click on continue. So after putting it in, then you can go ahead and make payments. Now, one thing I also like about it is that it has different payments method. So you can use your card. So you can make payments with your card, your Visa, your Discovery, your American Express, and your MasterCard. Then you can also, there's option of PayPal, there's Google Pay, there's Alipay, okay? And then you can also use Bitcoin, okay? There's also Pay, so depending on your, and then you might also have more payment option depending on where you're actually accessing the website from. And then you can see it here, the total here is just 59.88, okay? So once you are done, then you submit your payments, and then you'll be able to log into your dashboard, then where you can continue with your website creation. So like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video so that you can take advantage of this 73% discount that Hostinja is currently offering. Apart from the discounts, hosting platform comes highly recommendable. Is that clear? All right. So guys, don't forget to check the description of this video for the link. All right, so now let's continue with our video. So welcome back, guys. So next on our list is called Speaker. All right, Speaker is another great one-page music WordPress theme, over 3,000 sales, and it's going for $69. All right, so this is an Elementor page builder theme. It works with Elementor Ready. So this is one of the demo for this particular one. Okay, so okay, and these are some of the menu options. Apart from this homepage, there are other home pages available that you can also choose from. So away from that, we have jam section. Okay, so jam section is another thing, going for less, $45. And then in terms of features, so these are the demos available for this task 3 demo. We have this full screen homepage, built-in slider, Elementor scrollable homepage, and then full screen homepage, so that you can choose from any of these 3 that meets your choice or specific requirements. Okay, so we have Kenta. So Kenta music WordPress theme. This comes with 51 demos. So let me show you some of those demos. All right, so let's view the demos. We can see it here. These are all the demos. We have multi-purpose music website demo. See it here. And then we also have a demo for WP Bakery. Basically, WP Bakery is a page builder. This one is an Elementor, while this other one is for WP Bakery. If you are not familiar with what that means, they are actually page builder. There are 2 different ones. WP Bakery, we have Busy, we have Elementor, we have Gutenberg, and the likes. But these 2 are pretty much common. So these are another page builder for these are demos specifically designed using WP Bakery. Okay, so that makes it more, gives you a variety of options to choose from. Okay, when if you decide to go with this thing, but pretty much good. 51 demos. You can see non-stop music player, works with Elementor, and then WooCommerce Ready, and going for $89. Okay. All right. So the next we are having is called Mixtape. Okay. So for Mixtape now, this also comes with great demos. You can see it has a mix of Elementor and WP Bakery for some of these demos. Right. So you can also check it out. Away from the demos, you can see Vibrance, discography, and album page. With social media elements, okay, you can see tour date layout. So you're going to have a section for tour dates. You can see it here, single page, single events page. So this is how it could look like, right? So that means we are creating a website for an artist, okay, and you want to have all this information, events, tour dates, and the likes. You can see embedded players. So you can have different ways if you want your playlist to appear or your music to appear. So fully responsive, like I mentioned earlier, all the things I'm sharing with you are fully responsive. Okay, so they appear well across all devices and all screens. Okay, so the last one on our list is called Slide. So Slide, going for $59 with over almost 1,500 sales, 4.7 ratings. So these are demos available. I think there are 4 in numbers here with these 4 demos. So guys, those are the themes that I'm recommending to you if you want to create a music website or online radio website, you know, or music streaming website. Okay, we looked at On Air 2, then we looked at Chroma, we look at Decibel, that's the unit for sound, we look at Forward, and then for that Forward, this is one of the demos. Okay, so it has opened up. So this is looking very good, professional looking websites. Okay, then we also looked at Lucille, Advice, we looked at Speaker, Jam Session, we looked at Kenta, we looked at Mixtape, and finally we looked at Slide. So let me know what you think with all of these things and which one are you going to be going for. Okay, so again, the links to all these things will be in the description of this video. Also, don't forget to check out the hosting I recommended earlier. If you want to take advantage of the 75% discount on hosting plus the free domain, I'll leave a link to that in the description of this video so you can check that out. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you find a lot of value in this video. If you do, let me know in the comment section. So thank you very much for watching. My name is Prosper, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.